The letter P makes the sound P. Put your lips together and make a tiny puff of air. P, P, P. Perfect! Let's read some P words together. P, an, pan. P, n, pen. P, in, pin. P, ot, pot. P, un, pun. Now read with me. Pan, pen, pin, pot, pun. Wonderful reading, friends! Now let's read with two words together. Pan, pen, pot, pun. Excellent reading, friends! You're getting smoother every time.